In this episode, we will search for trolls and giants in the Scandinavian jungles of Copenhagen and surrounding. These amazing sculptures made by Thomas Dambo, a Danish recycled art activist who is known for his installations of giant monumental wooden sculptures called trolls, made entirely out of recycled materials, mostly wood and even plastic. Each one of them mimetizing with their environment, creating like this a world of fantasy and storytelling in nature.
And then the impressive part about these trolls is the social cultural work they are doing. They are incentivizing families and people to come and enjoy nature. So in this way, they come and visit the troll as a touristic attraction, but at the same time, they completely get the opportunity of spending the rest of the day with their beloved ones. So that's the amazing part of this project.
The incentive has worked for us, and we've enjoyed exploring many forgotten places around Copenhagen. We definitely recommend to go on the treasure hunt to find the 6 forgotten giants in the western municipalities of Copenhagen, where you can really immerse yourself in a Nordic quest inside the city, family friendly and for free.
Merry Christmas, keep it warm if you are in this side of Europe. Remember that it's not only about money and presents, but it's also about family and having a good time, or like we would say here in Denmark, hygge. Next week, these 2 crazy travelers will fly south into a very personal family journey, almost a Latin-Italian soap opera. I will be finding my Italian family. Keep tuned and ciao ciao. Merry Christmas. Ho 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 ho.